Welcome to the Taste Restaurant on the Norwegian Breakaway. We will be taking you to 2 different evenings that we went for dinner there and show you some of the food and tell you about the great service we had as well.
All right, Sea Lake Journey crew, for our starter tonight here in the Taste Dining Room, I've got the meatballs. How about that? And looks like Robin from Sea Lake Journey's got
the gluten-free French onion soup again.
Gluten-free French onion soup. How about that? It looks like the bruschetta over there.
Bruschetta with my little green flag of happiness on top of it.
The green flag of happiness. Is anything like a happy sack?
Could be. I'm going to taste it and find out.
And Bruce got the same thing I did. Meatballs.
Meatballs.
I think I got New York strip. I think that's what I
I
got.
think you did. Looks like a New York strip, don't it?
Yeah, New York strip.
With-
There's your famous tomato.
There's the tomato we've been talking about.
Famous tomato that's on almost every plate with mashed potatoes. But I would rather have her spaghetti.
Yeah, look at that spaghetti over there, y'all. Oh my goodness.
Spaghetti, the aroma is amazing. This is going to be delicious.
You know, I should have got that and the meatballs. And I've got fish. I got flounder right here. This is what the flounder looks like, y'all.
Why is it hidden?
What did Bruce get?
This is pela. It's shrimp and mussels, and it's seafood
Okay,
with rice.
looks pretty yummy too.
Yeah.
Okay, Sea Lake Journey crew, I got the eclairs for dessert. They look wonderful. What did Robin from Sea Lake Journeys get?
I got the gluten-free chocolate decadent something with strawberry glaze. I forgot what she said.
And some kind of ice cream.
Ice cream. Yeah, nice.
Okay. And we got what, cheesecake?
We got the sugar-free cheesecake.
Sugar-free cheesecake.
Yes, does that? It is so. It looks beautiful. Look at that plating.
That's awesome.
It's beautiful.
Yes. And Bruce has got,
I got the fruit plate.
I thought you ordered Fruit Loops.
I did too. I ordered Fruit Loops, and this is what I got.
You got ordered Fruit Loops and you got that. Well, I'm disappointed for you.
And you slide up to the
All
table.
right, Sea Lake Journey, the
Don't go
last,
far away from the
oh, thank
table,
you.
Cindy.
Last night here in the Taste, and check it out, I'm sitting in the big chair.
I was sitting in the big chair with great people. But hey, let's check out the menu here tonight at Taste. The menu changes every night here at Taste. Please be sure to let your waiter know if you have any food allergies. They had many gluten-free options, and everything you see Robin from Sea Lake Journeys eating is gluten-free.
Whoops. Hold on.
We're gonna make sure we get your name tag too.
We take a picture of you, and then we take a picture of your name tag because of the comments to make sure that we
And
spell
what
your
is your
name
name?
right.
My name is Yonalisa, all the way from Philippines.
Philippines.
Thank you.
We had superb service at every meal here in the Taste Restaurant. We came here for breakfast, lunch, and dinner most days.
What kind of soup did you have there, Robin from Sea Lake Journeys?
It is gluten-free blue cheese soup. Smells amazing.
Oh, that looks great. How is it?
It's really good. If you like cheese soups, it's really good.
I've got the scallops right here. No, it's not my birthday.
Try my soup.
So what's different about that soup?
So it's blue cheese soup, but it has chunks of green apple in it, which gives it a totally interesting taste.
Yeah, I took a taste of it. It's a very creamy soup, but then you get a little bit of that tart green apple in it, and it is quite interesting. And I gotta tell you, the scallops, they were small, but they had a hot spicy spice on it, which made them really good. Okay, this is the shrimp fettuccine. Looks yummy. Looks like Bruce got the steak and fries and
Peppered shrimp.
Lemon shrimp.
Peppered lemon shrimp.
lemon shrimp. Okay, there you go. That's what Cindy got. Okay, Robin from Sea Lake Journeys here got these green pepper.
A stuffed pepper
Yeah.
with spinach and ricotta cheese. But look how green that pepper is.
Let me kind of zoom in here a little bit. Oh,
That's got to be the greenest pepper I've ever seen. Maybe the spinach helped turn it green. Thank you. Maybe the spinach helped turn it green.
well, tell us what it tastes like.
Oh, and it's got asparagus on the plate too.
I'll eat
Sorry, I
that.
didn't mean to turn my nose off.
I'll eat this burger.
With what the pepper is stuffed with, it reminds me of spinach dip. The spinach dip that you get with chips, that's what it
Oh, okay.
reminds me of.
That sounds
I
good.
don't like the pepper though.
Okay. I want y'all, Sea Lake Journey crew, to see this mess. Oh, Robin's got. She's got this bowl of something, melting ice cream on a plate. I don't know what that is.
Tea leaves.
Tea leaves, she said. Half a thing of ice cream over there, teapot over there, papers laying around. Oh my gosh, this is a mess. I can't believe. How do you explain yourself?
I don't know. This never happens. This is not me. This is Ocean's fault. None of this is my mess. Cindy came over here when I wasn't looking. I went to the ladies' room. I come back, and this is what she did to my area.
Opinions, not facts. Opinions, not facts.
Oh no,
Opinions not.
Cindy's been known to be misled by rabbits, so anything's possible here on the Norwegian Breakaway.
We had great service and great food with great friends on the Norwegian Breakaway here in the Taste Dining Room. We highly recommend it. Hey, we're Sea Lake Journeys. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.
If you would like to support this channel, please consider becoming a member or hit the super thanks icon below. We really do appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.